Excuse me, could you tell me where I can buy peanut butter?
Yes, it's over in the sauces section in aisle 4.
Excuse me, could you tell me where I can buy lasagna?
Are you looking for frozen lasagna or ingredients to make lasagna?
Frozen.
That'll be right in the middle of the frozen food section in aisle 11.
Excuse me, could you tell me where I can buy chicken?
Are you looking for frozen, breaded, sliced?
Sliced, fresh if you have it.
Yep, we have a deli in the back. Just walk all the way back and turn left.
Hi, could you tell me where I can find some bananas?
Yes, it's on the other side of the supermarket in the produce section.
Hello, could you tell me where I can buy milk and cheese?
Yes, it's in the dairy section behind you.
Hello, could you tell me where I can find prawns?
Sure, it's in the seafood section. Just keep going straight from here. They'll be right in front of you.
Hello, did you find everything you were looking for today?
Hi. Yes, I did.
That'll be $28.50. How would you like to pay?
By credit?
Do you happen to have our loyalty card with you today?
Yes, I do. Right here.
Thank you. Just swipe it right there. And type in your password. And then press the enter button. Did you need any cash back?
Not today, thanks.
Okay. And here's your receipt and card.
Thanks. Sorry, could I get another plastic bag?
Sure.
Appreciate it.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Hey, how's it going? What can I get you today?
Hi, I'd like to buy some lamb chops.
Okay, how many would you like?
I'm not quite sure, but I need enough for 5 adults. What would you recommend?
Well, a full rack has about 13 ribs and weighs 3 to 4 pounds. Plan on 1.5 pounds per person, so 3 racks will be about right. You could go 4 racks if you wanted some extra, just in case.
That sounds good.
Excellent. Is there anything else you would like?
Yes, I'd also like to grab a kilo worth of top rump steak.
Sure thing. Would that be all?
Yeah, I think that's it.
So that's 4 racks of lamb chops and a kilo worth of top rump steak.
That's right.
Then your total comes out to exactly $90.
Do you happen to accept credit card?
I'm sorry, but we don't actually. Just cash only.
That's fine, just checking. Here.
Thank you. Here are your meat and your change. Enjoy the rest of your day.
You too. Thanks for your help.
Hello, finding everything okay?
I am, thanks.
Is there anything I can help you with?
Sure, I'm looking for some souvenirs for my family. I'm thinking about these mugs, t-shirts, and magnets. How much are they?
Each mug's $10, t-shirts $7, and the magnets are $3 each.
Okay, I'm going to be buying quite a few of them.
That's fine. How many would you like to buy?
I'd like to buy 20 of each item.
20 each? Wow.
I have a large family.
Okay, well, let me tally these up for you. Your grand total is going to be $400.
That's pretty expensive. Do you offer any sort of discount?
I'm sorry, we don't.
Maybe I can just put a few back instead.
I could probably offer a $10 discount, $3.90 instead.
It's all right. I appreciate you trying. I think I'll look around at a few of the other stores before I decide.
Okay, how about $20 off?
I really do like these shirts, but I don't know. There were a few other shops I was thinking about looking at. Would you be willing to go to $30?
How about $25?
Okay, sounds good. You've got a deal.
Great, that makes your total $375.
Thank you. My family is going to be so happy when I come back with all of these.
Hi there. Can I help you with anything?
Yes, I'm looking for a new handbag.
Great! You've definitely come to the right place for that. Is there a particular handbag you're looking for?
No, not a specific brand or anything. I was looking for a good quality leather one that isn't too expensive.
Okay. Do you have a price range in mind?
Somewhere between $100 to $150.
Excellent! Well, come over here. We have a bunch of bags, and I'm pretty sure we have 3 in that price range. Here, have a look.
Oh, these are all so cute. I really like this red one.
That's my favorite too.
How much is it?
It's $150. It's the most expensive of the 3.
And how much are the other 2?
This black one is $120, and this green one is $135. They're both cheaper than the red one, but that's because the red one has the highest quality leather of all 3.
Well, they're still all in my price range. But I have to go with the red one. It's just way too cute.
I know, right? Terrific! Let me get a new one for you that's already in a box. We have them by the register.
Thanks.
So that'll be $150. Will you be paying by card or by cash?
Debit card.
Great! You can swipe your card right here. Okay, here's your receipt and your adorable new bag. Thank you for shopping with us.
Thank you so much. You are so helpful. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, do you need a hand with something?
Yes, I'm looking for a new business laptop. I'm on a budget, so I'm not looking for anything really expensive. I just needed to have a decent specification with a good overall performance. Nothing over the top.
I see. What's your price range?
Anywhere from 1,000 up to 1,500. Oh, and these are the specs I'm looking for.
Okay, well, I think I know what you want then. This laptop here is one of our best sellers. It's the T1000 model, and it meets all your specs. It has a really fast CPU, 8 gigabytes of memory, and 1 terabyte of hard drive space for all your business needs.
Impressive. I was actually still looking at the same model one online before I came here. How much is it?
$1,400.
I saw it advertised online for $1,200 though.
Could you tell me where you saw the advertisement?
Sure, here.
Yep. There it is.
If you'll match that price, I'll buy this laptop from you right now.
Well, we don't normally do that.
I'm not trying to be difficult, but if your store can't match online prices, how do you expect anyone to buy from you?
I get where you're coming from, but buying through us gets you an extended warranty. Plus, we offer tech support and free cleanings. That extra $200 gets you more through us than through some online store.
True, but if I need any tech support, I can always get that online too, or from some other place.
Okay, I can match the price, but only if you sign up for our membership program.
Does that cost anything?
It's $12 for the year, so $1 a month. And you get discounts on everything you purchase, as well as exclusive monthly specials.
I like the sound of that.
Great! I'll meet you over at the register.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share our videos. Okay, see you next time. Bye!